Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix the Threads app crashing when posting a photo. So in the case that your Threads app is constantly crashing, whenever you go ahead and post a photo, in this video tutorial I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to fix this, so please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and try to basically post a photo once more on the Threads application. So basically once you've already proceeded with trying to post that photo again and it keeps on crashing, what are the basic steps that you could actually do in order for you to fix this issue? So one of the first steps that we could actually do is to go and just terminate the application from running and then launching it again and then trying to post that photo once more. Now in the case that you are still experiencing this problem, one of the quick fixes that we could also do is to double check our internet connection and see if we are connected with our Wi-Fi with a stable connection. Now if you are having problems with your Wi-Fi, you could actually go ahead and try your cellular data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better for you. One more thing that we could also do is to go ahead and tap on our app stores and make sure that our Threads application is updated to the latest version. So search for Threads and tap on the Threads app and actually make sure that your Threads application is updated to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you are going to have the best user experience possible. And that's basically it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How to Tech and Tutorials.